There is a lot online for Kyle Rittenhouse. Our Jessica Maduker breaks down the potential outcomes of what his defense will do if he is convicted.
The fate of Kyle Rittenhouse is ultimately in the hands of the jury. I spoke with the former prosecutor about what he will likely do if convicted.
Cases like this are very, very tough.
Former District Attorney Prosecutor Jane Christopherson is basing her thoughts on her years of experience.
If Mr. Rittenhouse were to be convicted of, quite frankly, either first-degree intentional or one of the lesser included, I think he would file an appeal.
The stakes are high. Rittenhouse, who is 18 years old, could spend the rest of his life behind bars if convicted. If his team decides to file an appeal, this means they believe the judge might have made a mistake, and the case will move to a higher court to be looked at again.
Anytime someone suffers a conviction, anytime someone may be locked up, in other words, if Mr. Rittenhouse were to be convicted of the first-degree intentional homicide, like we had talked about, it's either with or without parole, but it's life in prison. Absolutely, an appeal would be filed.
And the chances of that could be high. The judge granted the jury to consider lesser charges if Rittenhouse is not guilty of first-degree intentional homicide, which gives the jury more options to convict.
That's an argument.
Only time will tell, but Jane tells me based off of her experience, it could take a good amount of time before the jury makes a final decision. Reporting in Milwaukee, Jessica Maduker, TMJ4 News.